Today, we're diving into the GIGABYTE M28U-AE ARM Edition, a 28-inch 4K gaming monitor that's packed with features. Sporting a 144Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time, this monitor aims to deliver smooth, tear-free gaming experiences. The 3840 by 2160 resolution on its IPS display ensures crisp, vibrant visuals, while its color accuracy boasting 94% DCI-P3 and 120% sRGB offers an immersive color gamut for both gaming and creative work. Connectivity-wise, it's well equipped with HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB Type-C with power delivery, and additional USB ports, providing ample options for device connectivity. The VISA Display HDR 400 brings HDR-ready visuals to the table, enhancing contrast and brightness for a more dynamic viewing experience. Its adjustable stand allows for pivot, swivel, and tilt adjustments, ensuring ergonomic comfort during long gaming sessions or work hours. And let's not forget about the VISA wall mount compatibility, adding flexibility to your setup. In terms of extras, it comes bundled with essential cables and supports adaptive sync technology, reducing screen tearing and stuttering. Flicker-free technology also takes care of eye strain during extended use. Overall, the GIGABYTE M28U-AE ARM Edition packs a punch with its impressive specs, making it a solid choice for gamers and content creators looking for a high-performance, feature-rich monitor. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.